At the end of last year, we got to shoot some of the most impressive lorries in the world. We started the day by rigging the camera to the front windscreen of the truck with the Hague SM3 mounting kit, using a polarizer to eliminate reflections. It was a really bright day, so exposing for the interior of the cab through the window was a challenge, but we found balance in shooting in areas of shade whilst utilising the grade to pull back certain areas of the highlights. Shooting drone was a highlight. We faced strong winds, but with the dual operation controls we were able to have one person focused on the image and one on not crashing the drone. Next I got harnessed up and I put my life in the hands of the trusty old Ford, shooting car-to-car follow shots through a variety of locations. This was really fun, and don't worry, it's very safe and fully legal for UK filming guidelines. The A7SIII Ronin RS2 combo did bits here, helped along by a wireless monitor feed to the passenger and radio comms to the driver.
I'm buzzing for that.
Finally, we hired the insane Manston Airport Runway, which allowed us to line up the full fleet of vehicles and have complete control of it. And also, because why not? Thanks to everyone involved with this shoot, we're really happy with the results. And if you like this kind of BTS content, drop us a comment, let us know, and we might make some more.